Well, hi there, pluckers. I've Sore Fingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting lesson on another golden oldie. This one is all the way back to 1974, and a song called Gonna Make You a Star from David Essex. This was a #1 hit in the UK for 2 or 3 weeks for David Essex, so one of his bigger hits. Okay, so I'm doing it standard tuning, alright, standard tuning, but capoed at the 2nd fret, and we're doing it in the key of E. Okay, now David Essex, believe it or not, is still going out playing his hits and stuff, and he's now playing it in the key of E, which is exactly what we're doing. We are going to be doing it in the key of E. When he first released the song in '74, I believe it was in F sharp, or possibly F, I think it was F sharp, but currently obviously his voice has changed somewhat and he's playing it in the key of E, which suits me fine. So there we have it. So the intro, right, and this is played throughout the song, and it's my adaptation. Hopefully you've seen my playthrough of this song I did a couple of days ago, so I'll be hopefully breaking it down and showing you exactly what I did. So this is the way I've done it for a single acoustic guitar. So it starts off with the iconic intro, or my adaptation of it anyway. So and then we're into the first verse. Okay, so what am I doing? So we're doing this little lead into a D chord, 4th fret of the D string, 4th string, 4th fret, slide up, hit that note, slide it up to the 5th fret. Okay, then we're playing the 2nd fret of the 3rd string from the capo, 2nd fret from the capo on the 3rd string, and we'll be playing that little riff quite a bit as well. Okay. Then we play the 4th string open, followed by a D chord strum. So you got that, so it's fairly straightforward. Now we get a bit fiddly with a D chord with pinky, playing lots of little notes. So right, so you form a D chord on that. When you come into it, you got that D chord. Hold the D chord, add your pinky to the 4th fret of the 3rd string, single note, then play the 2nd string on the 3rd fret of the D chord, then back to the pinky on the 4th fret of the 3rd. Right, so it's 3, 2, 3, 4th fret of the 3rd, 3rd fret of the 2nd, and then 4th fret of the 3rd again. Then we take the pinky off and play that 1st finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string. That one, okay? That one. Then we play the pinky moves up to the 4th fret on the D string, the 4th string, okay? So and then we take that off and play the 1st finger, then moves up from the 2nd fret on the 3rd to the 2nd fret on the 4th, the D string, and you play that note. Okay, so okay, then the pinky goes back and plays the 4th fret of the 4th. So you got then we play. 1st finger goes back and plays that 2nd on the 3rd again. Okay, 2nd on the 3rd. So I got okay, then we go up to the 4th fret on the 3rd with pinky. And finally for this phrase, the pinky goes to the 4th fret on the D string. That's how it finishes up. This is for part 1 of the intro. Okay, so from this From we come, let's do it very slowly, the whole thing. Okay, very slowly. Bit of a pause, and then we start the whole thing all over again, exactly as it did the first time. That little run up, D string open chord, D chord, and it starts exactly the same way. 4th fret of the 3rd, 3rd fret of the 2nd, 4th fret of the 3rd. Take the pinky off, play the 2nd fret of the 3rd with the 1st finger. Then the 4th fret of the 4th, 2nd fret of the 4th, right, so then we're back to the 4th fret of the 4th, right, as before. So that's exactly the same as the first time. This is where it changes. Then we play the open, sorry, that's fret. Then we play the open 4th string, then the 2nd on the 5th, and then the open 4th. So you've got that. So the second time round it's pause, and then there's 2 strikes on the D chord. Okay, so the whole thing, the whole intro, okay? That's your intro, okay? Then it comes in with obviously the first verse. Oh, is he more, too much more than a pretty face? It's all on D, okay, the way I'm playing it. So it's oh, is he more, too much more than a pretty face? And then we play that little intro riff again, that 4th fret of the 4th, slide up to the 5th fret, 2nd fret, 3rd string, strum, D chord, okay? Oh, is he more, too much more than a pretty face? So strange the way he's talking, it's a disgrace. And they do that little riff again, okay, that, and then the D string, strum, okay? So that's the first verse basically, okay, so oh, is he more, too much more than a pretty face? It's so strange the way he's talking, it's a disgrace. Well, I know, now we go into the sort of chorusy bit, E minor. I know it's been out of style. Now this is E minor to F sharp minor. You can either use the bar chord, 2nd fret from the capo, bar, 1st finger, and then the 4th fret from the capo on the 5th string and the 4th string with your 3rd finger and pinky. Or you could play a simpler version like that, barring the top 3 strings, 2nd fret with your 1st finger, and the 4th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string with your 3rd finger and pinky. Don't play the bottom E string, just 5 downwards. So it's well, I know it's been out of style. Now next chord is G major. Now you can either play a bar chord G, if you're playing bar chords, E minor, F sharp, 3rd fret, major shape bar chord, or you could play an F shape on the 3rd fret if you're doing simpler ones. Sorry, that's a 4-fingered F, or you could use a simple F shape on the 3rd fret from the capo, whichever you like. Okay, 4 fingers is like an F, basic F shape on the 3rd fret, but this 3rd finger goes up to the 5th string on the 5th fret, and your pinky plays the 4th string, 5th fret, and don't play the bottom E, 5 downwards. So it's E minor, simpler way is F sharp minor that way, and G that way, or you could just play a standard G if you want to, whichever, okay, or a bar chord. So, well, I know it's been out of style for a short, back to the F sharp minor, while, E minor, how cold you, F sharp minor, are you coming home soon? And then you've got that little arpeggiated run, very simple. All I'm doing is like if you're holding a G chord like that, just like the 2nd on the 5th, 3rd on the bottom E, I'm just playing the bottom 3 strings. That's right, so it's then I'm playing the 2nd fret bottom E, open 5th, open 4th, and then I'm just playing the bottom E string open, just a single note there, let it ring. And that's where and then your D comes in, gonna make you a star, and then your D chord comes in, star. Okay, so it's like, well, I know been out of style for a short while, but I don't care how cold you are, I'm coming home soon, I'm gonna make you a star, yeah. And we go back into the intro again, okay? Just the same as the intro again, okay? And then we're into another verse, which is exactly the same to play as the first verse. Well, he says he's into music, but I don't believe it. He doesn't just seem to understand the rock media. It's the chorus again. Well, I know it's super hip, I'm liable to take a slip, but I don't care how cold you are, coming home soon, I'm gonna make you a star, yeah. Now this is where it changes a little bit. So when you come out of that, I'm coming home soon, I'm gonna make you a star. We do a little run there. So when you come back into that, gonna make you a star, D chord, star. Then what you've got to do is like played it. Either play the D chord or the open 4th string. Gonna make a star. Little run up. So it's open 4th string or the D chord, whichever you want to do. But then you've got to do the 2nd on the bottom E, 3rd on the bottom E, 4th on the bottom E, 5th from the capo. So it's from the capo, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the bottom E string, okay? So it's like, well, I know I'm not super hip, and I'm liable to take a slip, but I don't care how cold you are, I'm coming home soon, I'm gonna make you a star. And okay, that's all right. Okay, and then we're into this little sing-along bit. We're gonna make you a star. all that is, it's the same chords basically as the chorus bit. D, will, E minor, gonna, F sharp minor, make you. And then I like to do 2 hits on the G, whichever one you're doing, that or that one. So sort of emphasise that. So it's we're gonna make you a star. We're gonna make you a star. And guess what? We're going into another intro. Okay, so then it's another intro, another verse, another chorus, and then we finish up with that we're going to make you a star bit. So this third verse is come out of that we're going to make you a we're going to make you a star. We're going to make you a star. Caught the intro. Last verse, oh is he more, too much more than a pretty face? I don't think so, so strange the way he's talking, it's a disgrace. Chorus, well I know it's been out of style for a short while, but if you see I don't care who you are, I'm coming home soon, I'm gonna make you a star. We're gonna make you a star. We're gonna make you a star. It does it 4 times, I think. We're gonna make you a star. And then just the intro again. And that's it, that's how I finished it. Okay, so there we have it, boys and girls, my take on It's Gonna Make You a Star from David Essex for a single acoustic. Thanks very much for watching this thing. Subscribe and like if you want. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.